right there.
That would be fine, yeah.
Thank you for all your help.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome.
Back there on the
And
wall.
bedrooms, because there's
I can
a
put
bedroom
this
over
right
there
next
as
to you.
well.
Yeah, and depending, we don't get as many smoke detectors as we used to, so we have to. Are you good with that?
Smoke. Smoke. Smoke.
So that works. I'm going to test the carbon monoxide.
Smoke.
The deaf community's been talking for a long time about wanting fire alarms, flashing, vibrations, the clock to help us wake up. And now we've finally gotten it, and it makes me so happy. So I'm very thankful for the fire department to be concerned about people with deafness and disabilities and figure out what they need. It's very important for us.